here is a first test. I'm speaking into this microphone right here. Now I'm also recording it into my computer at the same time. This is only one channel right now that I have rigged up. It's picking up my keyboard. Hold up. A little bit of noise, but yeah, you can hear the audio compression. Like, I'm speaking right into it right now, and now I'm speaking from a distance, and I'm rising the microphone up to my lips. So the compression circuit's definitely working. You can see even on the audio waveform as it's recording, it seems to, no matter where I have the microphone up to my, even when I'm right up to it and I'm screaming into it, I'm right up there with my lips. And yes, it's staticky and that sounds like crap. It's supposed to, because I had my lips right on the microphone. But you can see the waveform is roughly about where it should be. The only difference is this is never supposed to actually kick in the audio limiter. This is a feature, but not something that's supposed to normally be in operation unless there's like a truck that goes by or something when I'm wearing these and I'm recording ambient sounds. Yes, I'm using good old Audacity. Gotta love it.